But as Nick Nurse said, without...
Oh, and the dunk!
Said last year without Pascal to begin the year. Doubled. They'll swing it on the attack. Fred, good move as he slides through traffic. Barnes backs in. He likes the matchup. Fred, open three. Bucket and book it. Raptors have cut a 13-point lead to 5 and a timeout. Chicago. Fred up top. Koloko. How about that?
It was just hard to identify those roles.
Something Nick said, you mentioned it, right? Here's VanVleet. Bucket and book it. No, Williams unable to finish. Raptors also much better job as VanVleet. Little this, little that with the finish. You saw Chicago really control the glass.
And that's just energy. That's that effort of put more energy.
Koloko at the rim. 1-point game.
Three-point shot is keeping the Bulls in this game with a pass by Fred VanVleet.
Oh, what a look. 3, 2, 1. Fred Wright. On time. Rockford's finest.
But you want your patience and you want your offense to work for you. Make the Bulls work on defense.
Fred, step back 3. His name is Fred VanVleet. It's VanVleet. 5 on the shot clock behind the back. Fred. And 1. Go over there. That's right.
You know what's on his birth certificate? Score.
Yeah, bucket getter. Oh!